Welcome back students to the second module of today. In this module, we will be discussing about the motion of car on a level road and about the banking of roads. From this figure, you can see that whenever an object is moving through a circular path, the centripetal force, which is mv square by r, is required to move through this curved road. The centripetal force will help us from skidding or moving out of the track. Let us suppose that a car is moving through a curved surface on a leveled road. We know if m is the mass of the car, its weight mg will be acting downwards, and an equal and opposite reaction force, which is denoted as normal reaction N, will be acting opposite to the direction of the weight mg, and the frictional force F will be acting towards the center of the circular path in order to provide the necessary centripetal force. Now let us see how this centripetal force helps the object in moving without skidding. So we know here normal reaction is balanced by the weight mg of the car. And we have already learned that the coefficient of friction is given by, or the force of friction is given by Fs, which has got a maximum value μs into n, where n represents the normal reaction force. So, Fs can be less than or equivalent to μs n. Here, the frictional force helps us in providing the centripetal force. And centripetal force is given by the equation mv square by r. So, mv square by r must be less than or equivalent to μs n. Equating mv square by r less than or equivalent to μs n and rearranging the equation, we get v square less than or equivalent to μs rg, where r represents the radius of the circular path. Here, normal reaction is replaced by mg. So, the maximum velocity with which a vehicle can negotiate or travel through a curved path, which is a leveled road, is given by square root of μs rg, where μs represents the coefficient of static friction, r the radius of the circular path, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Now let us see what is meant by banking of roads. You might have often noticed that in circular paths, the outer side of the road is a little bit raised compared to the inner side. This process of raising the outer edge of a road over the inner edge through a certain angle is known as banking of road. You might have often seen the cycle race, which is banked whenever there is a circular path. So we have seen banking of roads is essential to provide the necessary centripetal force to the vehicles so that they may take a safe turn. And the angle at which the vehicle is inclined is defined as the bank angle or the angle of banking. Hope you might have understood about the maximum speed with which a vehicle can negotiate a curve, and also what is meant by banking of roads and why it is done. Thank you, my dear children.